you how to share someone's Instagram story to your story. For that, simply open the Instagram application and you can select any random user or the person you'd like to share the Instagram story of to your Instagram story. Suppose I have selected this one, and simply you need to take the screenshot of this story of theirs. So once you have taken the screenshot, come back and now tap on your story at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it here, you need to select the one you have screenshotted previously. After that, you can simply customize this photo by enlarging its size in this way. And now tap on your story, which is at the bottom left corner. You can also add stickers or songs and the text using the icons at the top of the screen. Now, if you want to share your Instagram stories to Facebook, then you can tap on share stories. Otherwise, let's tap on not now at the bottom of the screen. So in this way, you can easily share someone's Instagram story to your story. So it has already been here on my story. So in this way, it's very easy to share someone's Instagram story to your story. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.